Welcome to our tutorial about the Interfere tool. It's right up here on the Solid Editing panel. This tool creates a temporary 3D solid from the interferences between two sets of selected solids. Let's start by creating some geometry. I'll place a box about here, something like this. Now another box. A cylinder now. And let's put a cone on the top face. Something like this. Okay, let's activate the Interfere tool. First, I'm going to right-click and scroll to Settings. Visual Style for Interference Objects. Realistic is selected. The color will be red. Let's click OK. Now we make a selection of objects. Right-click and enter to finish the selection. Right-click and enter to exit the tool. The interference checking dialog window opens, and there's a few tools on there we'll talk about. Let's click on this icon to zoom in and out. Right-click and exit to get back to the dialog window. Click this button to pan. To get back, right-click and exit. And let's orbit. Again, right-click and exit. We can click on Next and Previous to cycle through the interfering objects. If Zoom to Pair is checked, AutoCAD will zoom to the interference area. When you're done, click Close. And this concludes our tutorial about the Interfere tool.